Hello friends. Today we will learn very simple and useful English. This video will help you understand how to talk at a hotel, from entering the hotel to checking out. I will speak slowly and clearly. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to understand the sentences. So let's start our hotel story. A person walks inside the hotel, pulls a small suitcase, and stands at the reception desk. Hello. I have a room booking. Welcome. May I have your name, please? Yes, it is Rahul Sharma. Thank you. Let me check. Yes, your room is ready. It is a deluxe room on the second floor. Oh, nice. Can I check in now? Of course. May I see your ID? Sure, here you go. Thank you. Please sign here. All done. Great. Here is your room key card. Thank you. The person is still standing at the counter, asking questions. Excuse me, what time is breakfast? Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Is Wi-Fi free? Yes, it is free. The Wi-Fi password is written on your keycard. Oh, great. Where is the lift? The lift is on your right side. And, is there a swimming pool here? Yes, the pool is on the top floor. It opens at 6 a.m. and closes at 8 p.m. Perfect. Thank you so much. The person walks in the long hotel corridor, enters the lift, reaches the room, and opens the door with the keycard. A calm voice in the room. Wow, this room looks very clean. The bed is big. The window view is nice too. The person picks up the room phone. Hello, I need an extra towel. Sure. Housekeeping will bring it in 5 minutes. Okay, thank you. 5 minutes later, there is a knock at the door. Your towel, sir. Thank you. The person tries to turn on the AC. Huh? The AC is not working. He presses the remote again. Still not working, maybe something is wrong. He calls the reception. Hello, the AC in my room is not working. I'm very sorry for the problem. I will send a technician immediately. A few minutes later, a technician knocks. Hello sir, may I check the AC? Yes, sure. The technician opens the AC panel and works for a minute. All done, sir. It is working now. Oh, great. Thank you very much. No problem, sir. Evening arrives. The traveler feels hungry. He picks up the phone again. Hello, I would like to order dinner. Yes, sir. What would you like? Please bring 1 plate vegetable fried rice and 1 cold drink. Sure, sir. Anything else? No, that's all. Okay, sir. Your dinner will be delivered in 20 minutes. Thank you. Exactly 20 minutes later, there is a knock. Sir, your dinner. Oh, perfect, thank you. He keeps the tray on the table. The food smells delicious. He sits on the chair, eats slowly, enjoys the meal, drinks the cold drink, and feels relaxed. Next morning, after getting ready, the traveler packs his suitcase and leaves the room. He walks to the reception. Good morning. I would like to check out. Good morning, sir. Certainly. Did you take anything from the minibar? No, I didn't. All right, sir. Here is your bill. The traveler checks the bill. Everything looks correct. Can I pay by card? Yes, sir. The receptionist hands him the POS machine. He inserts the card, enters the PIN, and the payment is complete. Thank you, sir. Here is your receipt. Thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed your stay. Yes, it was very comfortable. Thank you for the service. You're welcome, sir. Have a safe journey. The traveler smiles, waves goodbye, and walks out of the hotel into the bright, fresh morning.